Otjozondjupa Region is second to Kharas in terms of road coverage with 1,038 kilometers bitumen road structure. Under the current budget, contractors are already appointed to put up low-volume seals on two roads that will not be used by heavy trucks. On average, every road constructed cost about $15 million per kilometer. The minister said he had taken a decision that gravel roads should no longer be constructed as it is not sustainable.
Every week you have a grader on that gravel road to grading. You pump how much? This road how much? 200,000 per week? Just in the drain.
This year alone, $1.3 billion was spent on re-graveling and regrading of gravel roads, which the minister says is a waste of money. Okondjatu Road, which is currently gravel, is prioritized to be upgraded to bitumen standard with $3 million allocated towards its design. Evelyn Poles, NBC News, Okondjatu.